Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G55 with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.49 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 85.7% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 405 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro vision camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies, it has 16 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.4, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUX. Screen on top the device, up to 2 years of OS upgrades and 4 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025, 6nm chipset, paired with IMGB XM8256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.56 by 73.82 by 8.09. 8.19 mm, and it weighs around 182 grams, and the color options, forest gray, smoky green, twilight purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 30-watt turbo power fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS 3.5 headphone jack, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, IP52 water-repellent design support, USB Type-C charging port, FM radio support, and with NFC market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G55 has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB. Storage variant at €249. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G55 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.